Let's get started. Who is your next door neighbor? My next door neighbor is Rahim. How is your new sofa? My new sofa is very comfortable. Why are you eating so fast? Because I am very hungry. What's your cousin's hobby? His hobby is photography. Where is your mother's car? My mother's car is in the parking lot. Who is calling your name? My friend is calling me. How is your rice? My rice is soft and warm. Why is the street empty? It is very late. How is the train journey? The train journey is long but fun. How is the new restaurant? The new restaurant is good. Why is the bed messy? I just wake up. What is your dream car? My dream car is Thar. Where is the market? The market is near the bus stop. Who is talking to you? My teacher is talking to me. How is your swimming class? My swimming class is fun. Why are you so happy? I passed my exam. What is your favorite chocolate? My favorite chocolate is dark chocolate. Where is your water bottle? My water bottle is in my bag. How is your new bicycle? My new bicycle is very fast. Why are you not sleeping? Because I'm not feeling sleepy. What is your favorite snack? My favorite snack is popcorn. Where is your best friend? My best friend is at home. Who is your school friend? My school friend is Peter. How is your cat? My cat is playful. Why is your room so clean? I just cleaned it. What is your new hobby? My new hobby is gardening. Where is your grandmother? My grandmother is in the kitchen. Who is sitting on the sofa? My sister is sitting on the sofa. How is your new teacher? The new teacher is very strict. Why are you wearing hat? It is sunny outside. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is New Year. Where are your parents? My parents are at work. Who is your cousin's best friend? His best friend is Suresh. Why are you sitting outside? The weather is nice. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is orange. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Visit again another videos.